Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Exercise 1.1 question number 6. Let A is equal to set for all x belongs to whole numbers such that x is strictly less than 2. B set is equal to x belongs to natural number such that x lies between 1 to 4. So 4 is included and C is equal to 3 comma 5. Then verify that the following results. So first I'm going to write the given sets. A set is equal to x belongs to whole number such that x is strictly less than 2 சொல்லிருக்கனால whole number starts from 0. So 2 விட கம்மியா 0 and 1 only is there. So next I am going to write B set is equal to set of all x belongs to natural number such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. So here which is equal to x lies between 1 to 4 னு சொல்லிருக்கனால so 1 வந்து excluded, so 2 comma 3 comma 4 included, so 4. So this is a B set, this is A set. Okay, next C becomes, it's already given data, so set 3 comma 5. So next I'm going to prove first result. First result becomes A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So first I'm going to find LHS becomes A cross B union C. So first I'm going to find B union C. So B set becomes 2 comma 3 comma 4 union C set becomes 3 comma 5. So union means, so join பண்ணி எழுதணும். So 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 is the B union C. Next I'm going to find A cross B union C. So A set becomes 0 comma 1 cross B union set becomes, so 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So here I am going to apply the Cartesian product rule. So I am going to choose 0 comma 2, then 0 comma 3, then 0 comma 4, then 0 comma 5. So next I am going to choose 1, so 1 comma 2, here 1 comma 3. So next 1 comma 4, then 1 comma 5 is the A cross B union C. So consider as equation number 1. Next I am going to find RHS. RHS is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So first I am going to find A cross B becomes, so set A becomes 0 comma 1 cross set B becomes 2 comma 3 comma 4. So here I'm going to apply the product rule. So 0 comma 2, then 0 comma 3, then 0 comma 4. So next I'm going to choose 1. So here 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 4 is the A cross B product rule. Then I'm going to find A cross C is equal to, so A set becomes 0 comma 1 cross C set becomes 3 comma 5. So here I'm going to apply product rule again. So I'm going to choose 0, here 0 comma 3, then 0 comma 5. So next one 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5 is the A cross C. So now I'm going to find RHS. Therefore, A cross B union A cross C, which is equal to, so ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கும் யூனியன் எடுத்து காப்பி பண்ண போகிறேன். So here, so A cross B, then A cross C choose பண்ணிக்கலாம். Here 0,2, then 0,3, 0,3, so ஒரு டேர்ம் எழுதினா போதும், 0,3 மட்டும் என்ட்ரி, then 0,4, then 0,4, then 0,5, 5, then 1,2, then 1,3, 1,3, then 1,4, then 1,5 is the RHS. So consider as equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the result is verified. This condition is satisfied. Next I am going to prove second subdivision. So A cross B intersection C, which is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first I am going to choose LHS. A cross B intersection C becomes, first I am going to find B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to, so B set becomes 2, 3, 4. Then intersection C set becomes 3, 5. So here common term becomes only 3. So 3 is a B intersection C. So next I am going to find A cross B intersection C is equal to, A set becomes 0, 1 cross B set becomes 3, which is equal to, here I am going to apply the product rule. So I am going to choose 0. So 0, 3, then 1, 3. So is a LHS. Consider as equation number 1. So next I am going to choose RHS. Here A cross B intersection A cross C is there. So first I am going to find A cross B. So A set becomes 0, 1 cross B set becomes 2, 3, 4. So here I'm going to choose 0, applying the product rule. So 0, 2, then 0, 3, then 0, 4. Then I'm going to choose 1. So 1, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 4 is the A cross B. Next I'm going to find A cross C. So A set becomes 0, 1. Then C set becomes 3, 5. Again apply the Cartesian product rule. So I'm going to choose 0. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then I'm going to choose 1. So 1, 3, then 1, 5. So here I'm going to apply these two intersection. So RHS becomes, for A cross B intersection A cross C becomes, so in the two sets product rule sets intersection common terms becomes 0 comma 2, there is no pair. 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 is there, so I'm going to write 0 comma 3. Then 0 comma 4 not there, so 1 comma 2 no, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is there, so 1 comma 3. Then so which is a set for RHS, consider as equation number 2. So from equation 1 also 0 comma 3, 1 comma 3, so equation 2 becomes also 0 comma 3, 1 comma 3. So from 1 and 2, so from equation 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross cross C. So hence proved the result. So next I am going to prove subdivision 3. So here A union B cross C which is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So first I am going to choose LHS becomes A union B cross C. So first I am going to find A union B is equal to A set becomes 0 comma 1 union B set becomes 2 comma 3 comma 4. So here so I am going to take union. So 0 1 2 3 4 is the union set for AB. So next I am going to find LHS A union B cross C which is equal to A union B set becomes 0 1 2 3 4, then cross C set becomes 3 comma 5. So here applying Cartesian product rule, so I am going to choose 0, so 0 comma 3, then 0 comma 5. So next I'm going to choose 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5. So next I'm going to choose 2, so 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. So then I'm going to choose 3, so 3 comma 3, then 3 comma 5. Then I'm going to choose 4, so 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 5 is the A union B cross C, consider as equation number 1. So next I'm going to find RHS is equal to, so A cross C union B cross C. So next I'm going to find A cross C. So A cross C becomes, so A set becomes 0 comma 1 cross C set becomes 3 comma 5. Here I'm going to choose 0, so 0 comma 3, here 0 comma 5. Then I'm going to choose 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 5 is the product of A cross C. So next I'm going to find B cross C is equal to B set becomes 2 3 4. So cross C set becomes 3 comma 5. So here applying Cartesian product rule, choose 2, so 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, then choose 3, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, then choose 4, here 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 5 is the B cross C product. So now I'm going to find RHS. So A cross C union B cross C is equal to, so இந்த ரெண்டு செட்டுக்குரிய யூனியன் காமன் டேர்ம்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படியே. ஓகே, 0,3 is there, 0,3, then 0,5, then 1,3, then 1,5. Here I'm going to enter all the elements, then 2,3, then 2,5, then 3,3. so union ரனால join பண்ணி எழுதணும். 3,5, then 4,3, then 4,5 is the RHS. Considers equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2 we get equal values. So from 1 and 2 to LHS is equal to RHS. So the result becomes A cross B. So hence the result A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So verified the result.